The Dead Sea Scrolls. Did the events of Old Testament actually happen? Are these the evidences that prove them? Do the scrolls point to hidden treasures? Who wrote them? The Dead Sea Scrolls are ancient Jewish and Hebrew religious manuscripts. They were found in the Qumran caves in shore of the Dead Sea in the West Bank. The last discovered scrolls were found in the cave of Horor in Israel. They are dated as early as the 8th century BCE, 2800 years old, and as late as the 11th century CE, 1000 years old. The origin of the Dead Sea Scrolls remains the subject of scholarly debate and a mystery to this day. According to the prevailing theory, they are the work of a Jewish population that inhabited Qumran until Roman troops destroyed the settlement around 70 AD. These Jews are thought to have belonged to a devout, ascetic, and communal sect called the Essenes, one of 4 distinct Jewish groups living in Judea before and during the Roman era. Do Dead Sea Scrolls include a guide to hidden treasure? One of the most intriguing manuscripts from Qumran is the Copper Scroll, a sort of ancient treasure map that lists dozens of gold and silver caches. While the other texts are written in ink on parchment or animal skins, this curious document features Hebrew and Greek letters chiseled onto metal sheets, perhaps, as some have theorized, to better withstand the passage of time. Using an unconventional vocabulary and not spelling, the Copper Scroll describes 64 underground hiding places around Israel that purportedly contain riches stashed for safekeeping. The Dead Sea Scrolls amazed scholars with their remarkable similarity to later versions. But there were also subtle differences. For instance, one scroll expands on the book of Genesis, as in the Old Testament of Bible, in chapter 12, when Abraham's wife Sarah is taken by the Pharaoh. The scroll depicts Sarah's beauty, describing her legs, face, and hair. And in chapter 13, when God commands Abraham to walk through the land in the length, the scroll adds a first-person account by Abraham of his journey. The Jewish Bible, as accepted today, was the product of a lengthy evolution. The scrolls offered important new insights into the process by which the text was edited during its formation. The Dead Sea Scrolls are a priceless link to the Bible's past. The Dead Sea Scrolls include fragments from every book of the Old Testament except for the book of Esther. Some teenage shepherds accidentally stumbled upon the first set of Dead Sea Scrolls. They entered the cave and found a collection of large clay jars, 7 of which contained leather and papyrus scrolls. After word of the discovery got out, Bedouin treasure hunters and archaeologists unearthed tens of thousands of additional scroll fragments from 10 nearby caves. Together they make up between 800 and 900 manuscripts. How fascinating it is! If they had a well-developed speech, writing skills, and means of communication, then the thought process would have evolved even earlier, even several centuries older. It can be inferred that there was civilization that is advanced probably 3000 or 3500 years ago. Almost all of the Hebrew Bible is represented in the Dead Sea Scrolls. Most of the texts use Hebrew, with some written in Aramaic, for example the Son of God text, and a few in Greek. Most of the texts are written on parchment, some on papyrus, and one on copper. The texts have great historical, religious, and linguistic significance. They include the second oldest known surviving manuscripts of works. Later they were included in the Hebrew Bible canon along with extra-biblical manuscripts, which preserve evidence of the diversity of religious thought in late Second Temple Judaism. Many thousands of written fragments have been discovered in the Dead Sea area. They represent the remnants of larger manuscripts. Researchers have assembled a collection of 981 different manuscripts. The 11 Qumran caves are near the Hellenistic period, Jewish settlement at Khirbet Qumran in the West Bank. Hellenistic period spanned from 323 BC to 31 BC, more than 2,300 years to 2,030 years ago. The caves are located near the northwest shore of the Dead Sea. So they were called Dead Sea Scrolls. Bronze coins found at the same sites form a series beginning with 135-104 BCE, that is 2100 years ago, and continuing until the period of the First Jewish-Roman War around 1966 to 73 CE. That would be 1900 years ago. It is supported by radiocarbon and paleographic dating of the scrolls. Biblical texts older than the Dead Sea Scrolls have been discovered only into silver scroll-shaped amulets containing portions of the priestly blessing from the Book of Numbers, excavated in Jerusalem at Ketef Hinnom and dated c. 600 BCE. 2600 years old. Archaeologists have long associated the scrolls with the ancient Jewish sect called the Essenes. The identified texts fall into three general groups. About 40% are copies of texts from the Hebrew scriptures. Approximately another 30% are texts from the Second Temple period between 516 BC and 70 CE, about 2500 years ago, which ultimately were not canonized in the Hebrew Bible, like the Book of Enoch, the Book of Jubilees, the Book of Tobit, the Wisdom of Sirach, and Psalms. The remainder, roughly 30%, are sectarian manuscripts of previously unknown documents that shed light on the rules and beliefs of a particular sect or groups within Greater Judaism, like the Community Rule, the War Scroll, the Pesher on Habakkuk, and the Rule of the Blessing. These scrolls may be a very convincing evidences of events that had happened in the Old Testament. Okay, let us all set aside history for a moment, can we? When can we go for the actual action, that is treasure hunting?